And we're back to learning Affinity in the year, day 7. Let me show you how you can adjust brightness of your layout. We'll go to Edit, Settings, and in the user interface you can do that. There are actually two main modes, High and Default for UI contrast, but you can adjust it step by step as well. Background and UI brightness are the most impactful. The text contrast you can see on these grayish text elements right here or below. We can set the decimal places for unit types. And here again, the UI brightness in addition to the background gray levels is the most important. For this tutorial I'm going to use the default, but maybe you've got different preferences. Adjust it right here. The other options, tooltip delay. Tooltips generally when you hover over something like an icon here, this tool, erase brush tool, the tooltip is then additional information that pops up. You can set the delay for that popping up. I would advise you to leave the rest unaffected. When we actually change something like that for a tutorial, I'm going to mention it specifically and we're going to go over it. For us important is right now here, the user interface, brightness and the gray levels. Again, I use default for this tutorial series. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.